Hello DIYers, this is our newly built driveway fence which we had to construct to protect our newly installed mini split air conditioning system. And you can see the air conditioning system right there, and we just installed this fence right in our concrete driveway, and we made it so that it locks right here, and that way no one can come off the street and steal our air conditioning system or whatever else we have back here, like our trailer and assorted nonsense. But at any rate, what we did was we just took the concrete and used it as a base for 2 posts, actually 4 posts. You can see them, 2 right there, 2 right there, and I used a rotary hammer to drill holes into the concrete and then insert the posts, install the posts, and from there I just used 2x4s as braces for the wooden slats. There's one there, there's the top one, and of course these are the gates, and one of the gates has a wheel. They both should, but we were going for speed in this instance. We'll eventually replace this support with a wheel. And as you can see, it's pretty good looking, so it offers aesthetics and security.